Hi, it's Wick McKenzie here. I want to talk to you a little bit about our WAC transformer, our power supply. First of all, why did we put it here? Well, we have available 120 power right here on the wall, and we have the area where we can mount this high enough that it's above grade 18 inches where we never have to worry about water getting inside of it. That's why we put it here. That's the location that we wanted it. And it also worked out for our two wiring runs that we have, one for our path light group, one for our accent light group. So how many ever runs you have coming in here, you want to make sure you have room to get all that in. The next thing is, WAC transformer has the quick connects inside, which makes it much easier. Rather than a screw terminal, it's a flip, pressure, quick connect. Easy to do. You get your conduit mounted on the bottom, bring your wire up through it, and you just put it in the clip, close it down. All the timing mechanisms and Wi-Fi mechanisms are inside this transformer. You don't have to worry about anything external. It's all inside. It all works through Wi-Fi. So once you set it up, you can set up your time to come on and off, all your groups, your automations, all your color automations, everything you want. Our transformers are stainless steel, lifetime warranty. Also available, you can hardwire this transformer if you need to. We have it wireless because we have great signal. But if you wanted to, you could hardwire it straight to your router. Thanks for watching.